Hey guys, Miss P here with the Do Now. We're just working with parallel, perpendicular, and neither slopes. So I guess we'll do two separate ones today. Why not? All right, y equals 5, let's do 5/9 x. That's it. And then the other one will be y equals a negative 2x plus 4. All right, so those are our two equations that we're going to do. I want to know parallel slope, perpendicular slope, and neither. All right, and we're going to do that for both. Now, guys, when you get to geometry, which will be next year, you can actually write parallel like this. That just means parallel lines. Perpendicular looks like this. And I'm just going to write neither. Try to remember that. Maybe you'll impress your geometry teachers. Hey, yeah. All right, so I want a parallel slope to this equation. Now, parallel have the same slopes. So my slope is what comes before my x, right? So my slope here is 5/9. So a parallel slope would be the same thing, which would be 5/9. All right, now I want to do a perpendicular slope, okay? Perpendicular is the opposite reciprocal. So we're going to take 5/9 and we're going to change it. We're going to make it opposite. Since it's positive, our answer is going to be negative, and then we're doing the reciprocal. The numerator goes in the denominator, and the denominator goes in the numerator, so it would be negative 9/5. That would be a perpendicular slope. Now, neither. Okay? Neither is what? Any number, but what? 5/9 and negative 9/5. So as long as the number isn't that, you're fine. You could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, all the way up. You could do negative, yada, 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 yada. Okay? As long as you do not do a 5/9 or a negative 9/5, and the 5/9 is not a plus 0. Remember, because then that would make it the same line. They wouldn't be parallel, they would be the same line. So for neither, it could also be 5/9 x plus 0. But as long as it's not the same equation, it's okay. All right, guys, next one. Now we're going to do this over here. Let's go with, okay, so we want parallel. So y equals negative 2x plus 4. Parallel lines have the same slope. So let's look at our slope. Our slope is what comes before our x, which is a negative 2. Therefore, a parallel line would have to have a slope of negative 2. Okay? Now for the next one, for the perpendicular, we want the opposite reciprocal. So anytime you're doing this, put it in fraction form. Negative 2/1. Guys, remember, if it's a whole number, it's always over 1, because what is anything divided by 1? It's itself. It doesn't change it. But we need to make the opposite reciprocal of this. Now, this is negative, which means that our answer is going to be positive. All right, so it's going to be a positive what? We're going to move this up top, move this up bottom, so we get a positive 1/2. So any equation with a slope of 1/2 would be a perpendicular line to that line. All right, neither. Okay, so any number, right, that isn't 1/2 or negative 2, but, ready, does not include, feel weird writing this, does not include this, okay? So it has to be a different equation and something that isn't a 1/2 or a negative 2 slope. All right, guys. That's it. Hope you guys are doing well. Guys, we're almost there. We have a few weeks left. Please try to, get through this as well as you can. Remember, email me with anything that's going on, or something, that's affecting your work. I'm here for you guys. I understand. So just let me know. All right, guys. I hope to see you soon. Miss you all, and have a good day.